Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm talking about the definitions for 3 different phrasal verbs: fill in, fill out, and fill up. The first definition of fill in means to add information in the blank spaces of a document. For example, fill in your name and address in the spaces provided. In this exercise, fill in the blanks with the correct word from the list. The second definition for fill in is always used with a person: fill someone in. It means to share the details of something with another person, or to explain something to another person. We need to leave now. There's no time to explain, so I'll fill you in on the way. My father filled me in about the plans for my brother's surprise party. The third definition for fill in is not just fill in, but fill in for, and then it's always followed by a person. Fill in for someone. This means to do someone's job for them while they are away. The receptionist is on vacation, so I'm filling in for her this week. He's sick today, so I need you to fill in for him at the meeting. We hired you to fill in for our secretary while she's on maternity leave. There are 2 main definitions for the phrasal verb fill out. The first is complete a form. Make sure you completely fill out the job application before you come in for your interview. He filled out the contract quickly and signed his name at the bottom. The second is to gain weight. Matthew has really filled out, hasn't he? Although the puppies were born too small, they began to fill out once they received proper nutrition. Now they look healthy and normal. There is basically one main definition for the phrasal verb fill up. It means to become completely full. Potatoes will fill you up without overloading you with calories. You need to fill up your car's tank with gas. By 7 o'clock, the restaurant was beginning to fill up with customers. So there you go, the definitions for the phrasal verbs fill in, fill out, and fill up. If you want to practice these phrasal verbs with me, leave a sentence down below in the comments and I will correct it for you. You can also check out the website YouGlish, which has a lot of examples of these phrasal verbs used in real-life contexts. Be sure to take a look at my website for more information about who I am, or if you want to sign up for private lessons with me. You can do that by going to mrspESLtutor.com or by clicking up here on this link. Subscribe to my YouTube channel over here and check out a few of my other videos by clicking down here. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time.